Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to change your email address on Gmail. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So this is my new Gmail account and this one is my old Gmail account. To change your email address you have to create a new email. Okay, you have to create a new email account, and after that we are going to forward this email to our new email. So for that, first of all, open your old email account and then go to settings and click on see all settings and click on forwarding and click on add a forwarding address. And here we have to put our new email address. So I'm going to my new email account and I'm copying this address and I'm pasting my new email address here. Next, and click on proceed. A confirmation code has been sent it to -- to verify permissions. So I'm going to open my new email address and going to refresh my inbox, and here we can I got a new email with a verification code. So all you have to do is just copy this code and go to your old email account, paste here the verification code and click on verify and select this option, forward a copy of incoming mail to new account. And here we can see you have verified the forwarding address to our new Gmail address. So and then click on save changes. This was how we can change our email address. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.